Yo, tell me to do that Jehovah. I will dance with my Jehovah. I need to pay. Oh, yo. And I move with the president. I want nothing to end. I got some water around my house. And we are panel. You don't want to. I'm very, very sorry. My fans, a movement. I have a Peru. I have a Jamanza. I have a Kundusha Jehovah. I have a Jamanza. I have a Dam. We are very, very sorry, man. The situation was out of our control. I had to do this. This is Daru. Was going to take a shika bar venue. And the promoter Kiro. I'm going to confirm what you show. I shika venue. That's a giant was out of our control. What's loud? Tashika will bring such a performer. No Babasamka wins. No Vataro Tag. It's now Toro after we married the family of Kirkin of Bassa. What's the other thing? But so what is it that you and to our man? So amana nyage tika issue kuzim asiti mafanzi yokuwebsite ne mafanzi ankuise because kuna mwana wako yacha mwe atika na mfuzi but ukada kutarisisa so ndi shows andaka tata before especially show ya promoter of South Africa yaya ni show iyo yebweru but as part of my control like ni show dogo na ubasa ine tombo perform ya mahara saka tusotaza no perform na ubasa kwa maji yote moto tutaipa bana kubezi tu by free like you wait should have you. Saka hapana pande robokanya nyimba basa kwangu ndo hapana pande takanya pande no chila. Ndo hapana pande chamami hapa ndi no chila. Ndo hapana pande chamami hapa ndi no famba na. Isi yangu mshazo language isi yote kwa mashoro angu. So and very soon my fans is a movement. My fans is also wabada mkabo movement. Sikupura dance. Atusumia mpura dance. Mwana simi yale tutu kwa ticho kwa manyuko nyuko ndo right out of our so I'm very big story my fans is a movement my fans is and I think such past promotion and I think that Kiro was there I think promoter wa chini Kiro ana kuna confirm kuti takayenda kubasa wazi but pani issue ya data kuti pana former manager wa Madedido aizikora wazi former manager aita skill kana chama bookings ati aninga ole kuti aita skill kana chama bookings achitaro shaka na Madedido za promoter yakatora 150 wewe sio atakaenda yamsu Madedido angeje 150 ongete so muna ntola mati tumakisha kwa kana shida kwa mfano kuchaka pesa ni pale waisi saka Madedido anga katomilirwa ni wana 150 asingazipata na watu ni police el promoter ndiye akatopinza waisi asiriki hapa tunangai papo wewe wala usumba kwa pato sara police mfano hata usumba which takashanza mota wani ile na Madedido ndandi suppose kutamana na Madedido tipangwa hiyo hapana kaida ubisi wako zinalo kufungwa fitu ya susi na nyaya so waweza tukapata kila chipeki tunasipatanga takuya kusikura dance taku wazi wamsigaite kuimba teto bembera mahara mpate to batatu ruwa tutaza kuimba tutaembera mahara saka atizotaza kuya kubasa kwa tapata waizi fichi pa kupata kwa tuta umashoza tutakuwa hapo ndio banda sio kushow ni perform na kwa eneo hapo saka pana panja taza kwenda kubasa ili ni mali basi tuzo kwa wale mali maana kida kama babazi wote kama mpango ni ofu kama kulala huwa vipote wote kiwaje kufada yao saka pana ni panja taza kwenda kubasa ndio panja nini wasamula mtu
ma video nini
wazi ya video nini opo shida kuiza sports game kama video cheka saka pana pato sitaza kwenda kwa wiki sasa tukiwa tunataka kitu shows South Africa but promoter South Africa ana kwanza confirm ili mtoto tutakonfirm bosi ya yeye yale sasa tuta kwanza confirm chicha katasa ndiende kwa baada ya kushika airport but the situation was out of my control sepapo bosi sasa street kakashow makali kapitu 1000 but sango taure panda tata ngiri kwa transport ati very soon tata tunataka ni pamu tetudo wa ngoma tukashika maana ngoma hapo hapo tushika kuya mwacho kwanza sasa kushika wote washika wapi stingo kwa zikio sasa leo tunishika kwa zikio kwa sasa mimi nyanga da wewe so ya very sorry mafanza tu wewe mafanza kesi amesimuza wabada kwa movement mafanza sasa tutambalo ngete movement ngene malo ngete to anza promoter Kiro Shipas promotion the richest famous chaka karapa so tulonga tutamara fisho kwa Bweru haisia tunga fisho kwa Bweru mnosi ile situation yakatika last time pandaka hapa Bweru so mshitaka kutoka kwa artist ali problem kwa promoter ali problem but no in first show ndaka Bweru yeye tunakazima ndito then mafans ndo papa mafans alingachi akamiri wana hapa tarangu na ini like papa fans anototsamwa because abhadhara mari dzawo anyway very very serious zvirwadza shabhadhara mari bvatadza kuona zvibhadhara mari itisapota patotadzana basa so we are very sorry mafans last time nakati kuti performance yochi engineer here nandiani akaudziro jeki all then nobva ndakutaura nemafans then kusvika paexchange yekunaona ndakusvika almost 5 minutes pastage but zvinotarire ende munzeve mangu ndakusvika kudzwa time then nobva ndakuti to here boys kokunda ndinodarwadzirwa ndoda kuimba waziya ngazongongo mupengo danzi chaifanira kunzi aimbe mangoma kusabhirifadza madzimai iwe tinechivhai tichabhirifadza madzimai wowo tichipinda moyo tiche testimony notimaitsanonzva 20 kuti munhu ana achitaura kuti hanzi aifanira kuimba masongo 3 ndobhadharwa 3000 ndimba masongo 3 hau nekuti iwe upenga wakatadza kushandisa mukara wakuti ndokapadzwa 3000 zvino time inini yangu inini kodifema kuna promota ndendogwememba 2 masongo wakukwewo 2 masongo waziya promoter nini anga time yangu ingari 1 hour 30 minutes wagwewe first show but ndakakatwa ndikiro 45 minutes mafadzi mbagumuka pauti aida munhu wawo ungasanga yatorudunura machi
mandanzi
mafadzi mbapanya zvinhu but mafadzi kuti rukumbiro guys tinotrain makomenzi takaitika zvese zvaitika kumangoma tinotraya kuavoida kutema
zvinhu
chibona kana kuti weze unofana kozi ngatiwoze nditori nani kuti imotemana ati kutema zvinhu kozi tibika manje kuti tongozvitomi tutubule kana kuti tonge tokuchakonzeresa chekutema artist wake zvinhu zvangu out of control abantu fana kuita kapishini kuti tatoya kumangoma matatobhadhara mari so kwato ndimo zvingatomtirwadziwa pakuti mabhadhara mari so kumafans kutokumbiro aisakaizi pakaitikana saboti tikana pastage pepe ikumbiro kana kuti kokuteka usakembe kana kuweva kutaura zvinhu vamukuda kudedzera ticho mukuda nakati madedido mari edido yasipuraga junior asipuraga ani kana kila tikila wese I think no the best way pakuti tanzi urikunosa sokati kwa kumatu tinobatindira mberi but mafans ese anosimplisa movement we are very soon amana chikuya ni pasa achitambi papasa achirari papasa chikuti itaichi basa maisi so with that I'm out.